You know what, Boney? I'm busy. You can wait. Hey, everyone. We got Learning with Mikey here. I'm going to teach you the difference between vector files and raster files. Oh, I did it again. Hey, greetings from St. Joseph, Michigan. Tree Street Packaging here. We want to teach you the difference between a vector graphic and a raster graphic. I got a graphic here somewhere. Bodie was supposed to help me.
He's too busy. I'll do it myself. Vector files have anchor points and paths, making it much easier to work with. Raster files are just a detailed image made up of thousands of pixels. Vectors are smaller files, storing less information, causing no quality loss. Rasters are larger file size, since they store color info for every single pixel. Larger image equals more pixels equals larger file size, causing massive quality loss.
Hopefully, this is good information for you. Learned a lot, maybe? I don't know. I'm not the best teacher, so we'll see. Again, any questions, get a hold of us. Talk to our designers, talk to Billy B, talk to us. We'll get it figured out. We'll get you what you done. Have a good day.